If you don't know English, it doesn't mean you are useless. If you don't know English, it doesn't mean you don't know anything. If you don't know English, it doesn't mean you are not intelligent. Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel English with Mom Madam. And in this video, I am gonna tell you about nervousness. How can we stop feeling nervousness while speaking in English? What is nervousness? Nervousness that we all deal with when we are trying to learn a new language. Not only you, it happens with everyone. In the initial days of my learning, I would always feel nervousness. But at the point I realized that I have to get rid of this. And in this video, I am going to share with you all the tips that actually helped me to overcome of my nervousness, which I hope also going to help you to overcome from your nervousness. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1, use positive talks with yourselves. What happens when we are feeling nervous? Whenever we are feeling nervous, we are trying to thought all about negative things at the point of that time. You know why you are feeling nervous while speaking? Because you don't believe on yourself. You're always thinking what will happen when we are not able to complete our conversation. What will they think about me? They're gonna laugh on me. But my dear friends, I have told you several times that stop thinking these all things because it doesn't matter to anybody. It really does not matter to anybody. Do you know who concerned about the mistake he or she is making? It's you. It's only you, nobody else. So stop thinking that types of negative thinking. And I want to tell you one thing, keep in your mind properly that if you don't know English, it doesn't mean you are not intelligent. It doesn't mean you are useless. It doesn't mean you can't do anything. I know many of people who have great academic qualification, but they are not able to speak in English. It doesn't mean they are not an intelligent person. So keep these things in your mind. We are learning language because we want to develop our personality. We want to open our sources. We want to get more opportunity by English. That's why we are learning. We are learning English. We don't know English. It doesn't mean you are not intelligent. Okay? So keep always these things in your mind. Number 2, stop thinking that what another will think about yourself. If someone is thinking about you wrong, then let them think. If someone is making fun on you, let them make fun. If someone is pulling your leg, let them pull. You think only one thing in your mind, that he doesn't matter for me or she doesn't matter for me. You concentrate only on your goal. What is your goal? You want to speak in fluent English? Then try and put your efforts properly to speak in English. Avoid these all negative things. I want to tell you one line in Hindi, that's लोगों का काम है कहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, अच्छा करो तो भी कहेंगे, बुरा करो तो भी कहेंगे. So let them speak. So stop thinking about other people, what they are thinking about yourself. You are not doing anything wrong. Okay? Keep one thing in your mind, that you are not doing anything wrong. You are doing a good thing. You are learning a new language. You are developing yourself. So stop thinking that what other people are thinking about you. Concentrate only your own goal. And do practice more and more and follow 3 steps regularly: listening, reading and writing. It will really improve your speaking. Number 3, start speaking thinking in your mind that you are looking confident while you are speaking. I know my English is not good. I know my accent is not good. I know my vocabulary is not good. Still, I am trying to speak. If I can try, you can definitely try. And you can definitely speak. So start speaking. And always think that whenever you are speaking, you are looking confident. Whenever I am trying to speak in front of camera, I am trying to speak fluently. So you should also do that things. Whenever you are trying to speak, you should speak with full confidence. While speaking, I always imagine in my mind that I am looking very confident, because it's a very important thing. Whenever you are speaking to anyone, you should speak with confidence. You should feel that you are looking very confident. No matter you are speaking wrong or right, and the matter is that you are trying to speak, because you are a learner. You are not a trained person. You are not a trainer. You are a learner. Keep these things and accept these things in your mind, that you are a learner and you are at your initial stage. So you can do that things. You can do these things. Why I am saying that you have to feel confident? Because whenever you are speaking and you are feeling confident from your inner side, it gives you more confidence for speaking. I am doing this, that's why I am sharing with you that you should also do this. So whatever you have to do, get over the nervousness. First, stop thinking negative things. Second, stop thinking that whatever another people are thinking about you. And third, start thinking you are looking confident while speaking. So if you are going to follow these 3 tips, it will really give you more confidence while speaking. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell to get my new latest videos. Thank you so much for listening me.